been trading for about 3 years now, you could say. And like I said, man, learning a lot. But however, I'm starting to realize that in the market, less is more. The less trades you take, the more money you can make. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, on a serious note, like I said, man, like I really been trading way less. Last week only took 3 trades. Overall, I was negative for the week, but that's only because I've been in the same trade for about 10 days now and it's still fluctuating. I'm in profit by around $200. This is the prop firm. Once again, this is the funded account. I just funded my live account. So basically right now I have two funded accounts that I'm trying to pass and I have a live account. So with that being said, man, uh a lot of new information that's going to be coming for the channel, a lot of breakdowns that are coming, etc. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, live account is funded. So with that being said, a lot of new stuff will be presented to y'all. But however, I do not want to talk y'all ear off. Let's go over here to the markets and pretty much show y'all what I have going. You know, let me go back to this real quick and show y'all the trade that I am currently in. And like I said, I've been in this trade for about 10 days now, so it's a lot of patience that I've been having to have. Um, Hopefully I can see because I always have a problem showing y'all. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but I'm up right now currently on the market. I'm up 379, and for the week, I was negative 145. So I am looking for this to swing to $500. That way, I do get my 1 to 7, and the two losses that I did get, I'll finish off the week for 1 to 5, basically. So basically, 70 times 5, which is 350. Pretty much made a $350 profit if this trade go hit TP. All right. But like I said, I do not want to talk y'all ear off. So we're going to go over here to the market. The only two pairs that I trade now, y'all, I got rid of EuroCAD, AUD USD, AUD CAD. I feel like it was one more. I just don't remember the name right now. But pretty much stop trading all of those. Only trade GU and GBP CAD. GBP USD and GBP CAD are the only two trades y'all will see me. Y'all only two pairs that y'all see me trade unless I'm taking a trade from someone else that I respect in the game and I know that they're good at trading. But even with them, I pretty much have every single signals trap muted. I'm looking to just take my own trades from now on and maximize the profit as much as I can. So as y'all can see here, this is pretty much the breakdown that I have for myself. I know it's a lot going on. So if you do not know about trading, this could be very, very complicated for you. You could be a little bit lost and not understand what exactly I have all these lines in this chart for. It's crazy because when I first started myself back then, I wouldn't know what was going on either. But now, as I develop over the years and I take notes and pretty much study back tests and understand the markets in a deeper level, I can really see what's going on. And that's how I was able to catch this monster trade that y'all see right here. Pretty much this is the area right here that I'm looking for. So the stop loss was at this high. My entry was right here at this horizontal line that y'all see. And then my take profit is down here. So purple is where the market is currently right now. So it came from all the way up here, y'all. Mind you, my entry is right here. This is my first entry. So this little, let's say green, this green little arrow right here, this green little aim thing, I don't even know what to call it. But crosshairs, this, did I just say yellow? I'm fried. All right, so this green crosshair that y'all see right here was my first initial entry. As y'all seen, shot up, came down, shot up, shot down, shot up, shot down again, all the way to break even. Luckily, I did not move my stop loss, and that's another thing that I've been realizing. Always trust your trade. Always trust your trade. Do not move your stop loss to break even unless, and I mean this in the most unserious way possible, because what I realized, like even this trade, y'all, if I would have moved this to stop loss and it created multiple lows, right? This is a low right here. Like I said, I don't want to do too much because I don't want to have people confused, but this is a low right here. This is another low right here, and then that was another low. So that was 1, 2, 3 lows that it created, and it still shot up. And then news came out and it shot all the way back down. So I ain't gonna lie to you. I really would say to not move your stop loss anymore. Me personally, I'm not moving my stop loss no more. It either hit stop loss or TP. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I understood off. Let me give y'all a book, man. This book right here, if you want to learn how to trade, this book right here will turn you into a whole different person right here, man. Trading in the zone. Let's see. Because I do not want y'all to be over here paying for a book that I read almost 7 times for free. But this book right here will literally change the way you see trading forever. This book right here, man. And currently right now on the channel, we have 450 subscribers. Yo. I appreciate everyone that's been showing love, man. 450 subscribers is crazy. And how long ago we started this? Wait, hold on. It was just showing. I started this channel August 28th. So May, June, July. I think August is 8 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, that's 8. So 4, 2. So within like 5-6 months, I'm at 450 subscribers. Some people may be like, oh, that's little. Some people may be like, oh, that's a lot. Personally, I don't care what they think. I know that I'm doing a phenomenal job of managing both of these channels. As y'all can see here, this video is almost at 10K. I posted this video on Christmas. I posted this video and this video on Christmas. And as y'all can see, they're doing numbers. And that's pretty much what started my views, going up and stuff. This was like a BTS type vibe. But yeah, back to the trade, right? So what I realized, man, is not to move your stop loss, trust your trade, either stop loss or take profit. Right now, currently, I'm like 40 pips away from take profit, but I am looking to swing it down here just because I possibly see the market rejecting from this area and swinging back up. So if this does happen, y'all seen it here y'all seen it here first, folks. Like, I called it out. You know what I'm saying? Because daily time frame wise, this is still on the uptrend, but we trying to get in that downtrend action right there. But however, man, we're gonna actually get into the breakdown of the trade. So GBPUSD breakdown. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about, man. We finna go to a different pair though. Let's see, Onda. All right, that's lit. So I'm gonna do the top down analysis. Y'all know how we get. Start from the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame wise, I see this right here. Copy and paste. So weekly, I see an uptrend. Daily time frame. Excuse me. All right, so daily time frame currently on this uptrend. And then right here is where we break structure. I don't know why I always forget to use this replay button. Okay, so boom. All right, y'all. So pretty much like I said, right, this is the down trade that I created, right? We have a break of structure right here. It's so minimal too, but it does it again, thankfully. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna, okay, I don't know why it's doing that. All right, so we're gonna put this right here. So like I said, right, this was the breakup structure. So BOS. So market shot up again right here, and then it shot back down. So with that being said, now what we're doing is we're trading this leg to possibly this area right here, because like I said, this is also an area of interest for a buy. And even if this is confusing for some of y'all right now, man, I swear, just keep plugging in, and over time you will get it. I promise you. It was the same thing with me. Anything that I post on my channels is all about my journey and what I've learned. Recording my trading journey along the way. No right or wrongs. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to sit up here and do, you know what I'm saying? I'm no expert. I just share what I learned. That's it. That's all. You feel me? So now when we get into this area right here, we can do the fib retracement, right? If you don't know what a fib is, it's basically a tool that has numbers that are well respected within the market. So as y'all can see here, usually what I do with a fib, I take the most welcoming entry off of 1 to 7. So with that being said, we're gonna put the stop loss up here, and this is just to save us some time. Let's say hypothetically speaking, we'll still get into a trade like this. My entry was way more precise in a sense. I got a lot of other videos where I talk about how to get sniper entries, as y'all can see over here on the channel. Sniper entries, Eurocat. I believe in this video I'll talk about it as well. No, yeah, that's 4 months ago. What the hell? Alright, so in this video, I talk about it as well. I actually showed y'all me being negative, like what, $60 end of the day. I was up 630, as y'all can see right here on the thumbnail. But pretty much from right here, we swing it all the way down. Like I said, I am looking for it to go down here, but this is a low that it has to break. So with that being said, we're gonna scoot this up until it says 1 to 7 in this bar, in this area right here. So let's see, 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 7, and all right, so boom, 1 to 7 right here. All right, like I said, this is not even getting a precise entry, just getting to a point that we're using a fib and we're understanding from what range we're trading from. So like I said, we're trading from this range to this range. So this is pretty much all I'm focused on right now. If it was to break that area, then that's when we will look to, you know what I'm saying, actually understand what other yeah. So if it breaks this leg right here, let's make this purple so y'all can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this purple leg right here, so this is the zone that we're trading from. If it was to break higher than this, then we'll be doing this other purple leg right here, because once again, like I said, I'm looking for sales. But since that's not the case, we just focus on this. All right, so with that being said, let's play this, and y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about with just using the fib. You will be able to still get a good entry, good stop loss, good risk to reward, and you know what I'm saying. So boom, market is fluctuating on a 4-hour time frame, fluctuating. So pretty much this was a limit, I believe, and it opened when I was at work. That drop right there did scare me, just because I thought this is right here, and like I said, this is gonna be confusing at the beginning, but this right here is a point of interest. This is called an order block. Some people call it supply and demand. Some people call it SRT. It's a lot of names out here for it. Me personally, I just call it an area of interest. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's really no other way to put it. There's so many names for it out here, but me, I don't like to complicate my life. So yeah, this little blue square right here, right? Let's go on the 2 hour. This little candle right here. I thought initially that's what it rejected off of, but however, I did also see that it was making liquidity. So trading is all about perspective too, and that's the crazy part about this all. Like that's one thing that I learned growing up when I was younger from my mom is always have perspective on what other people may believe, you know. And with trading, what you really want to do is look for where the market is like where the market has the most money. Because initially what you're doing with trading, you're just trading from liquidity to liquidity. That's all the market is doing. Like for example, this break of structure right here, this is all liquidity. All of this is people buying from right here, this line right here, is people buying up. As y'all can see, price stayed above this line until right here it broke. So when it broke and it shot up, I'm like, bro, it has to go down and break again because this little breaker structure we have right here, it has to be re-respected to continue this downtrend to then possibly reject from this area right here. Once again, this is another order block right here. This is another support and resistance. This is another supply and demand. Um, they have different names. I think this is called the demand, and then at the top it's called the supply. I really don't, like I said, it's all the same thing to me personally. I don't know why people try to overcomplicate this, but uh, this right here that we have, it is liquidity. So with that being said, there's money down here. All right, there's money down here. There's people orders. So with that being said, now we take it to the point that we're going to continue this. All right, so boom, right there. As y'all seen, market shot up. We're in a trade. Now let me show y'all how I could have really capitalized off this trade so many times, but I'm just now getting used to this, less is more type vibe and not really taking every single trade that I can in my favor, actually being precise with my entries. So let's take it to yellow. Yeah, yellow, yellow, yellow. All right, so boom, that's the first entry, right? So we're gonna continue this. All right, so market is shooting down. We're in profits right now. Market continues to shoot down. Okay, so boom, right? This is another entry right here. And why do I say that? Because initially when this happened, I believe it was because of news. So with that being said, this is another trade right here, another entry. Like I said, y'all, I'm finna break this. I'm finna like this is one of my. It's probably gonna be one of my best videos on the channel. Y'all gonna see why towards the end. Like this video right here can really it's this video right here is the introduction to the $1,000,000 trading strategy that anybody that's watching this video can take. Literally anybody, bro. Like, and y'all gonna see that over time when I start teaching people how to trade on the channel and breaking them, you know what I'm saying, walking them step by step as y'all follow along as well. But let's make this right here. Let's make this aqua blue. All right, so this is another leg, right? So we're gonna take the fib once again. Fib retracement. So now we're trading this leg right here. This aqua leg right here. This is what we're trading now. So now we're gonna do this. All right, and then we're gonna make the fibs. We're gonna make them pink. Nah, y'all can't see that. Let's make these green. All right, so boom, right? So I'm gonna hide this one for now. Let me see how I can do this. Hide. I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna put that back on the screen, but hey. But yeah, I mean, we already have our first, so it really doesn't even matter. But this is our second entry right here, y'all. So once again, like I said, we could do a 1 to 7. But for my second entries, I like to do a 1 to 5. All right. So boom, 1 to 5 right here. Put that right there. And then, so boom. Now I'm going to hide this one as well. We're going to make this black. And we're going to make the stop loss. Wait, no. We're going to make the stop loss purple. All right, so this is the second entry right here, y'all. Second entry is going to be... Okay, I can't even get that. But anyways, second entry, 1 to 5. And let's go ahead and play it again. So we're in profits for our second entry. Second entry is fluctuating. Boom. Second entry just hit take profit. So we're already up a 1 to 5 on this trade. Now, as y'all can see, this leg. Now let me make this purple. All right, so y'all see how this leg right here, it broke structure for this leg. So what I mean by that is this, simply this, bro. Like that's literally all I mean. So y'all see this, shot up, shot down, broke this leg. All right. So now we're focused on this leg. So now we're gonna pull the fib retracement out once again. So anytime they be like, "Hey yo, Al, Forex, DHS, digital hustlers," what's that strategy you be using? This is the video right here that they need, man. I'm telling you. How did you make all the millions, bro? Hey man, go to this video on my channel. Best strategies to use on Forex. I'm telling you, that's gonna help you. Straight like that. But now this is another trade, possible entry right here. That we're looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and hide this one as well. So now the low is right here. Once again, we're using this leg right here, that y'all see. We're trading from right here to down here. All right, so stop loss at the high right there. And then on my third trade, I like to do a 1 to 4. And this is only because, like I told y'all, I am on a prop firm. On the prop firm, there's a certain amount of money that you cannot lose. So if you lose over, let's say I'm up $1,000 and I lose $700, meaning that I'm up $300, that I'm still in profit. I basically just lost my trading account because I lost the daily drawdown of $700 was hit. So 1,000 to 300, that's $700. So I will lose the account even though I'm still in profit. So I realized that once again, you got to roll with the punches. I realized that with an account, I was up almost $1,300. Market retraced to like 500, 600. I think it was like 400. I don't remember exactly, but I basically lost the account, y'all. So this is why I'm telling y'all this. You know what I'm saying? So now we do a 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Let's do that. That's cool. And now we're gonna play the market once again. So entry for this one. So second entry for the trade was right here. This was the second entry, and then this is the third entry right here. This line right here. So we're gonna play this. Boom. We're in the trade. Candle just hit. Market is fluctuating. So boom. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. Cause I feel like I'm low-key forcing it. Cause initially it looks like I lost it. Well, I didn't even get into the trade, honestly. I'm just showing y'all how I'm starting to look at the market. All right, so sheesh. Okay. Now these are just eyeballing it. I'm just using it. Usually I'll actually go in, look at the candle, get the 50%, get the 0.25%, and all of that. I mean the 0.25. But like I said, just to save us some time, I'm just using for retracements. So initially the trade will look something more like this, possibly. And then boom, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, even the 50% of this is not even that low. Let's see. Yeah, you see, I would have probably. But anywho, let's say for hypothetically speaking, this is what the market looked like. I would hit a 1 to 4 right there, as y'all can see. Market hit TP, and then it shot all the way up. So this is where I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I was at work at this time, and I was like, bro, I'm finna get out this trade, bro. I was so heartbroken. I was up like almost $400 majority of the day, and then for the market to come do something like this, I was so devastated, y'all. Like so devastated. It's not even funny how like Like my energy was so high, but then I realized I looked at my phone, right? I went from $300 to $30 in profit. I'm like, there's no way, bro. And then news had came out the next day at work, and as y'all see, man, that drop was crazy. You feel me? So yeah, I possibly had even four entries, y'all. Even four entries, because this was an entry right here. Like I said, right, that was an entry, and then this was another entry because it never went above this stop loss right here. So I could have probably popped another entry and then what I'm saying. But yeah, man, this is pretty much what GU is looking like right now at the moment. Is this what it looked like? Okay. Well, it looked like this. I don't know why. But yeah, y'all, this is what GU looks like at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Crazy, crazy trade. I'm still in it. Like I said, we'll be looking to close it either when it breaks this low or if I see some type of like retracement, like weird retracement that it's doing right here. Let me see if we got news for the week. Okay, so we got news at 7 p.m. Hopefully that shoots the market down. We have some more. Damn, we have some more news. 10 a.m. tomorrow. Usually we don't be having news until Tuesdays, but it looked like we're gonna be stacked. I don't trade AUD anymore. This CAD news may be beneficial for us, but yeah, man. That's gonna be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all for watching this 27-minute video, man. If you've made it this far, comment for XDHS. That just means that you just got put on some major game, major gems. I appreciate every single person for watching, subscribing, commenting, and liking the videos. Y'all stay safe out here, and y'all traders, man. Y'all keep protecting the markets. Forex DHS is out.